we are at the Shaw House. Three-car garage with a little nook over there. You got your attic space right here in bay 2. Got a beam going down the middle. Nice little walk around here. Huge garage, making me envious. Should be down here. So they got everything done there. Got your windows for your front door about to go in. So what your view from the front porch looks like. Okay. That's the front door in. Your exercise room. Coming together nicely. Once again, fantastic view behind the porta potty. Looks like good framework all the way around. Nice and tight. Archers are put in. Once again, the framing looks nice and tight throughout. You got a couple of your windows in here. There. You also trimmed the tree today or a couple days ago. Looks a lot better. We'll clean up a little bit more, but it looks good. Got your tray ceiling here. Looks fantastic. Once again, everything looks nice and tight. So they took their time. You got your rear windows in. Got your little niche there. Fireplace is all ready to go. Looks good there. Master bedroom. Here's what your view looks like from here. Alright. Same here, everything looks good, nice and tight. Look all the way up where they, you'll notice they just didn't scap stuff together. Got nice angles and everything. Sure. Your backer supports for your cabinets. Tub. There's your master closet. Once again, everything looks nice and tight. I'm thoroughly impressed with how they did this. Liquid nails on everything, along with an extra one for you, just in case. That's what it looks like from here. Here's what your patio view looks like. Kitchen. Outdoor patio. Once again, the view. Amazing. They got all your soffits in up here and everything. So they got part of your island put in. More windows. They got your transom windows in here. Once again, look how nice how they did that woodwork up there. Looks good all the way throughout. Everything is nice and tight. More backers for your cabinets. Pantry there. I don't know what these rooms are, but I'll show you them. The ACs are going up there. They got the decking all put in.